Welcome back and try to solve this question 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 divided by 5. If you are solving like 5 divided by 5 which equals to 1 divided by 5 divided by 5 which equals to 1 and 1 divided by 1 which equals to 1 and you are thinking that 1 is the right answer, then you are wrong. This is not the right way. So try to solve by your own and comment your answer to get featured in this shortcut list. So here we can see that all operations are division. So we will use here PEMDAS. Okay, we will use PEMDAS here, and according to that, if all have the same priority, we have to solve from left to right. Okay, like all are division. So we will rewrite our question here again. 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 like this. Okay, now we have to operate from left to right. So first we will operate this 5 divided by 5 which ultimately will give 1 divided by 5 divided by 5. Now as we know 1 divided by 5 can also be written as 1 by 5. So here we will write here like this. Okay, now here because 1 by 5 is a fraction, so we will simple use case here, keep change flip. So we will keep 1 by 5 as it is. This division will be changed to multiplication, and 5, that is nothing but what, 5 by 1 will flip to 1 by 5. So here final answer will be 1 times 1 by 5 times 5 which equals to 1 by 25. So here right answer is 1 over 25. Okay, and what if you are seniors, then must check out our best product link in the description. Like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.